Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. Y'all, excuse the way I look. I know I look a mess right now. I am trying to get myself together. I don't feel good. The cramps is cramping this time around. Mother Nature is doing her big one right now. She did not come to play with none of us. Well, me. Anywho, sorry. I'm a mess. I need to get in the shower. That's what I really need to do. Get in the shower and get my life together. Maybe I'll feel a little better. But until then, I have this pile of laundry to fold right here. Ari woke up from her nap. Ava took a short nap. AJ's still napping, so that's good. Oh, Lord. My husband was like, do you need some Midol? I was like, Midol? Anywho, let me get my life together. We are going out of town in a few days, so I'm trying to get everything packed, everything clean, you know, the whole nine. I always tell y'all, clean your house before you go on vacation, because you always want to come back to a nice clean house. So that's what we're doing this week, getting the house all nice and clean. You want to say hey?
Hey!
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 But yes, I will tap back in once I get out the shower and get my life together. Hey y'all, it is the next day. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a while. I think the last clip was me getting in the shower and washing my hair. So yeah, I had washed my hair yesterday, having this little braid right now. Y'all, when I tell you I am so tired, like I literally have no energy and I have so much I need to get done. Like we leave in 2 days and like I have no energy. I just laid the kids down for their nap. We went outside earlier. They're outside for most of the morning after breakfast. I just need to get so much stuff done. I need to go put another load in the laundry, put the other load in the dryer. I need to go in the garage and try to find their little swim vests because we're going to be spending a lot of time in the pool. So I need to find their little swim vests. I have no idea where it's at. Apparently it's in the garage. Our garage is a mess. So I gotta go through all that stuff in the garage and find that. I need to clean the kids' bathroom upstairs, which I probably won't do. I'll probably do it tomorrow. I need to do Ari's hair. I need to wash and like put her hair in a protective style, probably like some braids or something, because like I said, we're gonna be in the water a lot. So that'll be like one less thing I gotta worry about on our little trip or whatever. I am so tired. I'm so tired. Oh, I don't think the kids are down. Like I literally just put them down, but it takes them like 500 days to like fall asleep. I don't know. They never want to take a nap. They're at that stage now. They want to skip nap time. And oh no, 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 we are not skipping nap time. I feel like I hear somebody up there. Anywho, low-key might make me a bowl of grits, eat that, but I don't want to do that because I know if I eat something, I'm going to be tired and lay down and then not get anything done. I want to be as productive as I can be today, given that we're leaving in 2 days. But yeah, let me get up here and try to go find that little swim vest. It's in the garage somewhere. that was just a complete waste of time. I done went through all them boxes, all them containers, looking for that little swim vest, or it was like 2 swim vests I was looking for, Ari and AJ swim vests. And y'all, tell me why it like had dawned on me that we don't have them. We forgot them in the hotel from our last little staycation. Forgot them there, so we don't have them. I just love wasting my time, it seems like. Anywho, I done went through all that stuff. I done found some like stuff that we had that we like never unpacked. There was some toilet paper, there was coffee mugs, all type of like random stuff in that one blue container. I was like, what in the world? So I took those coffee mugs out. I'm gonna wash those. I threw the toilet paper and everything else like that was just trash away because it's been a whole year now. It's almost been a year since we moved here. It's been like, I think 10 months, or no, maybe 8 or 9 months since we've been here. But anywho, excuse me. I just got done eating me some grits, and like I said, I knew as soon as I eat that bowl of grits, I'm gonna be tired. I'm not gonna feel like doing nothing else, and that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. I don't feel like getting up, don't feel like doing anything but laying on this couch and taking a little 5-minute nap before the kids wake up. That's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna rest for a little bit. When the kids wake up, I'm going to do Ari's hair and then continue on with the rest of the day. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another lovely day. We are up and out the house. We're about to head to the car wash. Today is the last day before we hit the road for vacation. So I have a lot of like last minute like prep I need to do. Car wash, finish packing, do some more laundry, all of that good stuff. Right now, I'm hot. I'm hot and I'm out of breath, y'all. It is hot already. It is what? It's already 75 degrees and it's only 8:51. Look at that. It's going to be a high of like, I think 89 today. It is getting hot. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yesterday, as y'all saw, I had washed Ari's hair. I did blow dry and I started to do it, but it got late, y'all. It was like 8:15. The kids started crying, acting up. I was like, you know what? Their bedtime is 8 o'clock. So that 15 minutes after, yeah, they was like not for it. So I had to like stop what I was doing. Halfway did Ari's hair. I did wrap her hair up last night. She had a scarf on, had her bonnet on, everything. Why she wake up this morning? No scarf, no bonnet, hair all frizzy in the front. I'm like, dang, all that hard work. Mama, she never keeps her scarf and bonnet on. Yes.
It came off by itself.
It came off by itself?
Mm-hmm.
You was sleeping?
Yeah, I was sleeping.
You was sleeping good if it came off by itself, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay, but I'll finish her hair later today. Let's head out to the car wash, get this car nice and clean, because y'all, we have a 12-hour road trip in this car with all 3 kids. 12 hours. So we shall see how that turns out. Anywho, let's hit the road. Let's go. Hi, can I have a medium caramel ribbon crunch, extra caramel, extra crunch?
Medium caramel ribbon crunch, extra caramel, extra crunch. Medium?
Yes. Can I have 3 cake pops, 2 birthday? Do you want chocolate or birthday? They only have those 2. Yeah. The chocolate one or the pink one? Which one?
Chocolate.
And 1 chocolate.
1 birthday, 1 chocolate. Anything else?
2 birthdays, 1 chocolate.
2 birthdays, 1 chocolate. Gotcha. Anything else for you?
And 1 butter croissant. 1 croissant?
Alright.
1 croissant?
No.
No. Okay. And then can I have 2 small ice waters?
Yeah. No problem. Is that all for you?
Yes, that's all.
$21.92. Come on around.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I forgot my Stanley on the counter. I don't have any water. I don't necessarily like tap water, but it's gonna be a hot one today. So we gotta stay hydrated. I should have asked for a large. I asked for 2 smalls, but the kids need water too. I have one of their water bottles. How do I get theirs and not my own? Because I'm always thinking of others. Always thinking of others. Let me get my wallet. Thank you. You too. Ain't nothing like that first sip of your drink. Oh my goodness. I got a whole mouthful of caramel. So good. Do y'all say caramel or caramel? Caramel? Caramel. Is it caramel or caramel? And we are back, y'all. So we just ran through the car wash real quick. They did an okay job. I think they were like rushing because there was like a lot of cars. There's some spots they didn't like clean very well, but that is okay. We just made our way to this Publix. I have not been to this Publix, have not been to this side of town. If you're new here, we are from the outskirts of DC, Washington DC. And we moved to the Carolinas, so we're still getting used to the country. We've been here for like 8 months now, 8-9 months, almost going on a year since we've moved here. And like, I'm one of those people who does not like driving. Like, I don't like driving. I don't like going to new places by myself. Like, I stick to what I know. So like this town that we're in, my husband comes here all the time. There's like lots of shops and lots of stores, and they have everything here. I recently came here, what was it, last week? I went to the TJ Maxx over here. Yes, I'll be coming back. I like this town. Their TJ Maxx was so nice, has such nice things in there. But anywho, we're at the Publix in this town. It's a nice little Publix. It's giving, you know, it's giving. I'm not even gonna say what it's giving, but if you know, you know. But let's go in here and get some fruit, get some snacks we need for our road trip, and whatever else Publix tells us to buy. Let's go. Hey y'all, we are back in the house. I just put the kids down for their nap. I'm about to fold some laundry. I just put a load in the wash. Excuse me, y'all. I just ate me a nice little sandwich from the deli of I was about to say Panera. The deli of Publix. Got a nice little sandwich. It was so good. About to fold these clothes right here. I have my suitcase in the hallway. I'm about to roll that into the living room, put it on the floor, and then finish packing up some last minute stuff. Whew. I forgot to get the most important thing from Publix, so we got to go back out to Walmart so I can get that. And then yeah, just finish, you know, doing a last little bit of packing and cleaning or whatever else. I'm so tired. I just want to take a nap. It's so hot outside. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish packing.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath, be down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever love me? Would you ever picture us?
It is 5:03 and let's hit the road, y'all. Off to Florida we go. Let's go.
It's huge.
So we're back in the car. I'm just eating my little bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. The bread is so fresh. The biscuit is so fresh. It's actually not that warm. I'm kind of disappointed, but I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat it anyway. I wish I had some hot sauce though, but I don't have it. Or some honey. That'll be good. But yeah.
I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said you're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air. I begged and pleaded.
Hey y'all, we have finally made it 12 hours later and we are here. We all look tired, we all look hot. It's been a long ride. We are backing into our rental property and we're about to go unload and just relax. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! We did it! Shout out to Popper Jack. He just knocked 12 hours out by himself. I was the passenger princess. Bye guys.